Have you ever scanned a document and it's basically just a photo you can't do anything with? Today I'm going to show you how I use OCR within the iScanner app to turn paper into editable, searchable, AI-ready text. And this has completely changed how I organize my documents. So let's talk about what OCR stands for: Optical Character Recognition. So what this means in iScanner is it will read text from a scan and convert it into real digital text. With that digital text, I can copy, rename, search, and plug it into all of iScanner's AI tools. iScanner specifically has built its own AI-based OCR tool compatible with over 20 languages. And that is super useful when you're working with other kinds of paperwork. And I also want to note that everything runs automatically on a secure server, so no one's able to manually access my document. So let me show you how I actually use this. So first I scan a printed document. I always try to use good lighting, of course, keep the page flat, and run straighten and polish from the AI refine tools. This will remove shadows, clean up the background, and helps OCR read everything more accurately. Now, once the scan finishes, the text recognition runs automatically, and that's where things start getting really useful. One of my other favorite features is smart naming. So instead of ending up with something like scan 4829, iScanner can suggest a name based on what it reads from your document. So if I scan a lease or an invoice, it might actually rename it to something like rental agreement March 2026. And when I'm scanning a lot of paperwork, this saves me a lot of time organizing later. Now, once OCR recognizes the text here, I can search my files using words inside the document and not just the file name. So instead of scrolling through folders, you can just type a keyword such as tenant, and it will find the right file instantly. So full text searches inside the document itself is still evolving all the time, but I can send the recognized file into AI chat and ask the AI to pull specific info for me. And that's where the scanning starts to feel more like automation. Here I can summarize long documents, rewrite text, translate content, or quickly extract any key details. So instead of retyping anything, I can basically turn paper into AI-ready content in just a few taps. And to me, that's the real upgrade, because then scanning becomes part of the workflow and not just, dead storage. Now, what I've noticed is that OCR completely changes the way I organize my documents. So instead of scans sitting in random folders, everything becomes searchable, editable, and usable. So if you're trying to go more paperless, or you just generally want your scans to actually work for you, OCR is probably one of the most powerful features to start with within iScanner.